In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DocuSign not sending email. If you send something for signature and no one's getting the message, don't worry. Let's walk through the most common fixes so you can get your documents moving again. Start by double checking the recipient's email address inside DocuSign. Even a small typo, an extra space, or the wrong domain can prevent delivery. Open the envelope, review the recipient field, and correct any mistakes. Save your changes so the system knows where to send the notification. Next, ask the recipient to check their spam or junk folder. Email providers sometimes filter automated messages, and DocuSign notifications can land there. It's also worth checking other inbox categories, like Other or Promotions. If they find it, have them mark it as not spam to help future emails arrive in the main inbox. If everything looks right, try resending the envelope. Open the envelope in DocuSign and select Resend to trigger a fresh email notification. Give it a few minutes to arrive and avoid resending repeatedly in a short span to prevent additional filtering by the email provider. Confirm the envelope status in your DocuSign account. Emails won't be sent if the envelope is completed, voided, or expired. If you see any of those statuses, that explains why no email went out. Only active envelopes will generate notifications. By the way, if you need quick access to DocuSign, there's a link at the top of the description. Use it to reach the website or grab the app if you prefer working on mobile. To reduce future delivery issues, ask the recipient to whitelist DocuSign domains, such as DocuSign.net, in their email settings. Adding DocuSign to a safe sender or allow list tells the mailbox provider these messages are expected and should not be filtered out. If emails continue to be blocked, use a direct signing link. Open the envelope, copy the signing link, and share it securely with the recipient. This gives them immediate access, even if their email service is filtering notifications. For work accounts, company security can be the culprit. Some corporate email servers block or quarantine automated messages. Check with your IT team to confirm DocuSign emails are allowed and not being held by a security gateway or spam filter. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact DocuSign support and provide the envelope ID so they can investigate delivery logs and pinpoint the problem quickly. That's how to fix DocuSign not sending emails. If this helped, be sure to check the link at the top of the description for easy access, and thanks for watching.